Hello kids, welcome to Fun with Narval. Let's learn vehicle's name in English. Car, car, bicycle, bicycle, auto rickshaw, auto rickshaw, truck, truck, tractor, tractor, front and backhoe, front and backhoe, bus, bus, helicopter, helicopter, airplane, airplane, road roller, road roller, crane, crane, excavator, excavator, jeep, jeep, scooty, scooty, motorcycle, motorcycle, cruise ship, cruise ship, boat, boat, delivery truck, delivery truck, yacht, yacht, bullet motorcycle, bullet motorcycle, dump truck, dump truck, excavator, excavator, concrete mixer truck, concrete mixer truck, fuel truck, fuel truck, flatbed truck, flatbed truck, forklift, forklift, rickshaw, rickshaw, tram, tram, canoe, canoe, hovercraft, hovercraft, ambulance, ambulance, submarine, submarine, fighter jet, fighter jet, double-decker bus, double-decker bus, tank, tank, carriage, carriage, train, train, van, van, tractor, tractor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.